Okay, we are now at Baguio Botanical Garden. So this is really a well-maintained garden here. Considered as one of the tourist spot in Baguio. So it's nice here. Just sharing you this one of the huge pine tree here. So, this is a sculpture of a soldier during American occupation here in Baguio. So not far from her, the John Hay camp. This was the stronghold camp of American soldier during the time. That was after Spanish occupation. So this is now the garden here. Some bonsai plant. So look at that one. So nicely done. Also there's a baliti tree. Bonsai baliti tree. Oh, so nice. Hi, Inday. Say hi to my video.
Hi.
So nice here. So I have to cut it off.